Welcome back to our online education. Today we start from page number 12. First pronoun, then adverb, verb, adjective. Adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. First about to pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. Some examples of I have written on the blackboard: she, I, we, you, he, she, they. These are pronouns example. Pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. তার সর্বনাম কুহতি ওড়িয়ারে যাহাকু কি আমি নিঃশেষ্য পদর পরিবর্তে বাক্যরে ব্যবহার করু তাকু কুহাযাଏ pronoun. Now come to activity 12. Complete the following story by choosing the correct option. এটা হচ্ছে গোটিଏ ଷ୍ଟୋରିଟିଏ ଗପଟିଏ ତାର ଅପସନ୍ ତଳେ ଦେଇଛି 1 ଠାରୁ 12 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ବ୍ଲାଙ୍କ ସ୍ପେସ୍ ଅଛି ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଦେଖିବା ଦେଖ ମୁଁ ଦେଖି ଦେଉଛି ବହିଟି Activity 12. Complete the following story by choosing the correct option. One day Monu and Danu met the village headman. ଦିନେ ମାନୁ ଏବଂ ଦାନୁ ଭିଲେଜର ମୁଖ୍ୟ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଭେଟିଲେ ମାନୁ said, sir, there is a mango tree in my courtyard. କହିଲା ମୋ ବାଡ଼ିରେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଆମ୍ବ ଗଛ ଅଛି. Dash have been protecting dash for long. ଦେଖ ୱାନରେ ଅଛି courtyard dash I, he, we. ଦୁଇଟା ଆନ୍ସର ହେଇପାରେ I ହବ କିମ୍ବା ତା ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ସହ ମିଶାଇଲେ we ବି ହେଇପାରେ I ଲେଖ I have been protecting dash to it for a long. ସେ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଯତ୍ନ ନେଇ ଆସିଛି ବହୁ ସମୟ ଧରି. ଦାନୁ says that it belongs to dash 3 me, him, them. ତାପରେ ଦାନୁ କହୁଛି ନା ଏଇଟା ମୋର. It belongs to him. Please give dash justice 4 please give me justice. Danu said, no sir. Danu କହୁଛି ନାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା dash is lying 5 he is lying. ସେ ମିଛ କହୁଛି. The tree was taken care by. ଦେଖ Danu said, no sir, dash is lying 5 you, me, he is lying. The tree was taken care of by none other than dash 6 other than myself. Dash should belong to me 7 it should belong to me. The headman thought for a while 8 you, him, he said. Number 8 is he said the tree may not belong to dash 9 belong to ours, yours, both. তারপর সে কইলে the tree belong to both. Tell me dash is the real owner. Who? Tell who is the real owner. Both started telling him it is dash 11. It is with the real owner. Both started telling it is mine. ଦି ଜଣ କହିଲେ ଏ ଦାନୁ କହୁଛି ମୋର ଆଉ ମାନୁ ବି କହୁଛି ମୋର. ତାପରେ all right said the headman. ତାପରେ headman କହିଲା ଆଚ୍ଛା ଠିକ ଅଛି. The tree will be cut into 2 equal and distributed equally. ତାପରେ ଗାଁର ମୁଖିଆ କହିଲେ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆମେ ଗଛଟାକୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମଝିରୁ ଦ୍ୱିଖଣ୍ଡ କରି କାଟିଦେବା ଆଉ ଉଭୟକୁ ଅଧା ଅଧା ଦେଇଦେବା. ଯେହେତୁ ଦି ଜଣ ଯାକ ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଦାନୁ କହୁଛି ମୋର ମାନୁ କହୁଛି ମୋର ତେଣୁ ଗାଁର ମୁଖିଆ କହିଲେ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆମେ ଗଛଟାକୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମଝିରୁ କାଟିକି ଉପଡ଼େଇକି ଦ୍ୱିଖଣ୍ଡ କରିଦେବା ଅଧା ଦାନୁର ଅଧା ମାନୁର. The tree will be cut into 2 equal and distributed equally. ସମାନ ସମାନ ଦିଆଯିବ. Suddenly ଦାନୁ agreed. ଦାନୁ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ରାଜି ହେଇଗଲା. To the headman's verdict. जो headman जो ରାୟ ଦେଲେ जो opinion ଦେଲେ ସେ ରାଜି ହେଇଗଲା. But Manu said, sir, I have taken a lot of pain to grow the trees. କିନ୍ତୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମାନୁ କହୁଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଏଇ ଗଛର ଜନ୍ମଠାରୁ ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଯତ୍ନ ନେଇ ଆସିଛି. I cannot see its falling. ଗଛଟାକୁ ମରିବା ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଦେବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁନି. Let Danu have the tree. କହିଲା ଦାନୁକୁ ବରଂ ଗଛ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ताकू काटिकी नष्ट करंतु नहीं। नंबर 12 तापर से मानु डैश आर रियली ओनर ऑफ द ट्री। 12 यू दे ही आंसर हो कोन यू मानु यू आर रियली द ओनर ऑफ द ट्री। Danu will be punished for his falsehood, said the hermit. You have come across some of the following words. आमे केतेक शब्द देखिले जो गुडा कि प्रो नाउन सर्वनाम। एग्जांपल देला कोन आई, यू, ही, शी, इट, वी, मी, यू, हिम, हर, दे, बोथ, इच, अस, them, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourself, and themselves. Each of the above words stand for a noun. ये समस्त वर्ड नाउन रो परिवर्ते व्यवहार कराई छै जहा को हम कहू छै प्रोनाउन। दे आर कॉल्ड प्रोनाउन्स। दे मस्ट बी ऑफ द सेम नंबर, पर्सन एंड जेंडर ऑफ द नाउन दे रेफर्स टू। ताले এই শব্দৰ एग्जांपल হলা प्रोनाउन। देखिए তারপরে एक्टिविटी 13 put I, he, she, we, you, me, they, them, it in the blank. Where is Madhu? Dash is in the garden. Therefore, right answer would have where is Madhu? Dash is in the garden. He. Right answer is he is in the garden. 2. Number 2. Are the boys playing? No. Dash are studying. 2. The answer कौन होगा? Are the boys playing? No, they are studying. Right answer is they. They are studying. 3. Ram, Shyam and I belong to the same class. They are good friends too. Number 3. देखो उधर Ram, Shyam and I belong to the same class. We are good friends too. We. Pronoun is right. Pronoun is we. Number 4. Sunita is a good girl. Dash is very sensitive. She is very sensitive. Number 5. Please don't disturb. Dash. They are asleep. Number 5. Which is the answer? Them. Please don't disturb them. They are asleep. Number 6. Mr. Jones sells vegetables. Dash is a green grocer. He is a green grocer. Next, we discuss about adjective. Adjective is a describing word. It describes the qualities of a noun or a pronoun. विशेष्य किंवा सर्वनाम पदर गुण को प्रकाश करे बा विशेष्य पदर किंवा प्रोनाउन रो गोटे क्वालिटी को से प्रकाश करे। देखो बही कोन दिस लुक एट द फॉलोइंग पिक्चर्स। व्हाट डू यू गेस? पिक्चर देखि के बतानो को डिस्कस इन ग्रुप। नंबर 1 इज इट रेनी और सनी डे? देखो पिक्चर का आंसर देछि। आंसर राइट आंसर इज रेनी डे। चित्र देखि कोन वर्षा होछि? इज इट रेनी और सनी डे? आंसर इज रेनी डे। Number 2 is the lady young or old? Look at the second picture. Is the lady young or old? Give the answer. The lady is young. 3 is the dog black or white? Answer is white. Number 4 is the man happy or unhappy? Answer is happy. Choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. Which words are given in the box with the mark? Populous, rich, red, silly, brave, intelligent. Abhishekta feels gas. Please call the doctor. Answer is sick. Abhishekta feels sick. It is an adjective. All the words given in the box are adjective. Abhishekta feels sick. Please call the doctor. So the number 2. Swadesh is a gas. He can answer all the questions. Number 2. Swadesh is intelligent. He can answer all the questions. 3. That a gas building is ours. Choose the right answer. That red. Answer is red. That red building is ours. 4. Kolkata is a gas city. Number 4. Populous. Kolkata is a populous city. Janabolo desha. 5. Dash boys idle with their time. 5. Answer is silly. Silly means stupid. silly boys ideally have their time जो माने भलो पाठ न पढ़े ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ସମୟଟାକୁ ନଷ୍ଟ କରିଦେବେ time kill 6 the Japanese are dash the Japanese are number 6 answer is brave we have seen the above words like rainy young white unhappy sick red brave etc describing the pronoun or the object they are qualifying words and are called or adjective तो ये जो शब्द गुड़ी को ब्रैकेट भीतर रहला से गुड़ा कहूची क्वालिफाइंग वर्ड मतलब को हमें एडजेक्टिव ओडिया रे विशेषण पद बोली कहबो ओके नेक्स्ट वर्ड क्लासेस और पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीशीज about verb verb means a action word saying word or doing word a verb is a word that is used to express an action verb is a word used to express an action गोटे काम action माने गोटे काम खाइबा पीबा पढ़िबा रीडिंग राइटिंग एटसेट्रा ताले verb is a word used to express action example go come eat drink look at your book the boy runs very fast the underline is good runs is a verb next example we are watching the cricket match on the TV are watching verb Pragya is intelligent it's the sun rises in the east rises the underlined words in the above sentences suggest an action done regularly or being done in the present or suggest a state of habit they are called verbs the underlined words which are underlined runs are watching is and rises are verbs next Sonalika dances well underlined word is dances Radhika sings well underlined word is sings Ajay smiles Niranjan walks slowly activity verb dance sing play smile act cut watch draw cook etc देखो ये जो dances sings smiles works ये भलिया verb को आमे कहबा activity verb कोन गोटे काम माने करते डांस गोटे काम करछि सिंग गोटे काम चलछि प्ले गोटे काम तनु ए टाइप रो verb को आमे कहबा activity verb I think it is too late I wanted to meet him but I could not I know it is wrong देखो ए टाइप रो verb जोड़ा देछि तीनोटी एग्जांपल think wanted no these type of verbs are called mental verbs thinking wanting knowing loving hearing feeling reading remembering these type of verbs are called mental verbs two kinds of verbs first we describe about activity verb कोडा को dance sing play activity verb बर्तन एला मुंड काम करछि बुद्धि काम करछि these type of verbs are called mental verbs next mental verb includes both dynamic and static देखो डायनामिक स्टैटिक माने स्थिर डायनामिक अर्थ गतिशील सी हियर रीड थिंक लव युडा कहउछि डायनामिक वर्ब एंड स्टैटिक हेला गुडा एन्जॉय फियर हेट बिलीव रिमेंबर तेनु ए मेंटल वर्ब भितर दुई प्रकार हेले गोटे हेला स्टैटिक आ गोटे डायनामिक दुई प्रकार देन हाउ कैन आई कंप्लीट माय टास्क मनु आस्क्ड ता परवर्ती एग्जांपल देछि हाउ कैन आई कंप्लीट माय टास्क मनु आस्क्ड ए मम हाउ कैन आई कंप्लीट माय टास्क मनु आस्क्ड मनु पसरता माको जे केमिति कंप्लीट करी कामटा यू हैव टू स्टार्ट अर्ली मम्मी सेड ता मम्मी ता उत्तर कहती जदि केमिति तोर समस्या अछि ता कामटा जल्दी आरंभ कर You have to start early, mommy said. Have stop here, he shouted. तापर जे गोडी हे गोडी पाटी करछि देखो ए टाइप रो वर्ब हला करा asked आउ said एला होछ कम्युनिकेटिव वर्ब माने भाषा को आदान प्रदान करछि कम्युनिकेट करछि ask say call tell speak talk describe write suggest and think जे टाइप ऑफ वर्ब आर कॉल्ड कम्युनिकेटिव वर्ब तेनु तीन प्रकार वर्ब विषय पढले प्रथमे हला activity verb second is the mental verb third is the communicative verb next keep on talking she stopped writing the boy started running he begins to read the book verbs of aspect keep, continue, begin, start, stop. देखो underline word keep ଅଛି ku verb गुड़िक keep, stop, started and begins. These types of verb are called verbs of aspect. गुड़ाक keep on talking कथा कहि चलो. She stopped writing लेखा बंद करिबा. The boy started आरंभ कला किबा begins मध्ये आरंभ कला. ई टाइप रो verb का जे verb of aspect. Next page please. All the verbs discussed here have a dictionary meaning. आम ए जो चारि प्रकार verb आम आलोचना करिवले तार गोटे dictionary meaning गोटे अछि. अभिधान रे बा बही बुक रे गोटे अर्थ अछि गुडिकर. So they are called lexical verbs. तेणु dictionary meaning थिबा जोगु आम ताकू lexical verb कहिबा. Lexical verbs are called main verbs. तेणु the verbs which are called lexical verbs they are otherwise known as main verbs. तेणु main verb रो other नाम हला lexical verb. Then come to activity 15. Choose the correct verb given in the bracket. बता में verb की सुंदर स्थान पूर्ण करियो. देखो नंबर 1 ब्रैकेट रे देछि तार आंसर तमे बाछियो पड़ियो. When do you dash up, climb, rise, get? Which is the right answer? You choose. When do you get up? Right answer is get. Number 2, the horse dash faster than the deer, runs, walks, flies. Which is the right answer? The horse runs faster than the deer. Answer is runs. Number 3, my friend can dash English well. Say, tell, speak. Answer is my friend can speak English well. Number 4, a goldsmith dash ornaments. Sells, buys, makes. Answer is makes. A goldsmith makes ornaments. Number 5, last number, bad news, travels fast. Goes, travels, disappear. Answer is travels. Bad news, travels. Now children, we decide activity 16. Complete the following conversation by using the correct option given in the brackets. बताना है जो conversation वार्ता. परस्पर एक कथावार्ता चलती. काका इधर young man and पंडित. जने पंडित जने और जने young man जने. प्रथम young man पूछी. Who dash most powerful? Each arm are. Which is the right answer you choose? Who is most powerful? दीटा साइड इज बोले वही और दी लिखा कथा हो. Who is the most powerful? कारण सुपरलेटिव जगह रे को होई दे ना सारा. Who is most powerful? पंडित. One who dash intelligence. Who has intelligence? Young man. How? Pandit. A strong lion without intelligence dash easily defeated by a little fox. Which is the answer? Each are where? Right answer is each. A strong lion without intelligence is easily defeated by a little fox. जदि गोटे लायन के जते बड़ हेले भी जदि तार बुद्धि न थाए ताले गोटे छोट फॉक्स साथरे से बुद्धि रे हार जाय. तो बुद्धि होउछ बहुत इंपोर्टेंट. इंटेलिजेंस इज आंसर. ए स्ट्रांग लायन विदाउट इंटेलिजेंस बिना बुद्धि रे इज इजीली डिफीटेड बाय ए लिटिल फॉक्स. यंग मैन. What about James Pandit? There are dash only 3 gems: food, water, and street, and sweet words. Food consider the pieces of stones as the gems. Which is the right answer you choose? Each are. There are only 3 gems. 3 gems are food, water, and sweet words. These are called 3 gems. Fools consider the pieces of stones as gems. Young man, what is my duty? Pandit, you dash do what you think needful. Can, must, may. Answer is must. You must do what you think needful. And listen, enjoy the process, not the fruit. My dear children, we discuss about adverb now. What is an adverb? An adverb describes how an action is done. गोटे कामटा को हुए होउछ. सपोज हॉर्स रन्स. रन्स रा भर जदि हम कहबा रन हॉर्स रन्स क्विकली त किपरि हबर से दउछ क्विकली दउछ. तेनु क्विकली होउछि adverb. वर्तमान एग्जांपल देखो. टर्टल. द टर्टल मूव्स स्लोली. देखो इटैलिक्स लेटर लिखाइ छै स्लोली. बंका अक्षर लिखाइ छै स्लोली. तेनु एठी स्लोली होउछि adverb. Anima sings very well. देखो इटैलिक्स लेटर पूरा होछि very well. 3, the man was seriously injured. Seriously. The teacher comes always on time. Always. He ran very fast. very fast. 6. A bag flies normally in the dark. Normally, italic. The words in italics above describe how the action is done. ये जो italics letter रे जो शब्द गुड़ी को लिखा है slowly, very well, seriously, always, very fast, and normally they show how the action is done. कामटा को भले से होची, कोई भी होची ना slowly होची ना को भले होची को प्रकार रे होची. They modify a verb, an adjective or another adverb. कि कहारो गुण को प्रकाश करे, कहाको modify करे, कहाको qualify करे. हुए तो verb ही परे, दुई adjective ही परे, किंबा adverb ही परे. ताहले adverb modify कोची बा qualify कोची कहाको गोटे verb को किंबा गोटे adjective को किंबा आउ गोटे adverb मध्य से qualify करि पारे. बर्तन देखिबा activity 70. Fill in the blanks choosing the adverbs from the box. Box से कौन कौन दे जाइछि? Absolutely, seriously, very, extremely, beautifully. Number 1. This knife is dash sharp, very sharp. Very. 2. The man was dash injured in the accident. Seriously. The man was seriously injured in the accident. Answer is seriously. 3. Soumendra is dash faithful to Gandhian ideals. Number 3, absolutely. Soumendra is absolutely faithful to Gandhian ideals. Number 4, Radha is dash beautiful, extremely beautiful. 5, the mat is dash designed, beautifully designed. Next page, number B. सामने में देख लेंगे एक्टिविटी 17 रे एडवर्ब्स मॉडिफायर ऑफ एडजेक्टिव मॉडिफाई कला बर्तमान बी रे देखिबा एडवर्ब्स एज मॉडिफायर ऑफ वर्ब. ये ब्रैकेट रे जो शब्द गुडे जाई से गुडा को सब वर्ब गुडा तो देखो आ कोन कोन देछि फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स चूजिंग द एडवर्ब्स फ्रॉम द बॉक्स. देखो वेल, स्लोली, नेचुरली, क्लियरली एंड केयरफुल. एडा होछि वर्ब केमिति मॉडिफाई करछि. इट इज market area. Drive carefully. Answer is carefully. 2. The snail moves dash. Answer is slowly. The snail moves slowly. Number 3. Gopabandhu Babu teaches us English well. Answer is well. Gopabandhu Babu teaches us English well. 4. Bobita recites a poem clearly. Answer is clear. 5. Braja paints pictures dash naturally. Answer is naturally. Then number C. Adverbs are the modifiers of another adverb. How would the adverb can be modified? देखो कौन कौन देछि fill in the blanks choosing the adverbs from the box. Doubtlessly, so, fairly, probably, always. Number 1. Why are you driving dash fast? ये सब शब्द गुडी को होछि कोन adverbs. Why are you driving so fast? Right answer is so. 2. Kamalini has done dash well in her exam. Fairly well. Kamalini has done fairly well in her exam. Number 3. Sachin is dash the best of all the cricketers. Undoubtedly. Sachin is undoubtedly the best of all the cricketers. Number 4. Mr. Dash is dash on time. Always. Mr. Dash is always on time. Number 5. Sunita has got a high temperature. She is dash ill. She is probably ill. Now we come to next activity number 20, and these are adverbs as modifiers of preposition. Now fill in the blanks choosing the adverbs from the box. देखो कौन कौन देखी occasionally, just, exactly, extremely, hardly. Number 1, activity 20. Number 1, the information counter is dash at the front gate. Is just at the front gate. Answer is just. Number 2, I dash go. I occasionally go. I occasionally go. Occasionally is the answer. Number 3, I go dash against the law, hardly. I go hardly against the law. Number 4, price is dash up. Price is extremely up. Answer is extremely. Number 5, last one, you are a dash on time. Exactly on time. That is the end of this lesson.